So hello everyone, I already got my medical certificate and X-ray, and the result is normal. I'm fit to take my OGT. So by the way, my wish list is here na. Thank you so much for making my wish come true. By the way, let's unbox it. And guys, the tripod from this is the first one that got delivered here. So let's unbox it. Oh. By the way, thank you so much for making my wish list come true. Charot. Ayun. Ay. Ooh. Wow. Oh, there's a cover. This is guys. Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Silas. Oh, this is the tripod. There's... Wow. Guys, thank you so much. I really like it. Thank you so much, Mr. Silas, for the gift. So, let's read the manual first, and so that we'll know how to install this. Oh, so the first one is this one. And next is there's a lot of kuan guys. So it's here guys. Let's put this in.
Okay, it's here.
Here. I don't know where should I put this.
Sorry, bakit balik pala mo eh.
Let's put the camera here.
Taas mo na sila.
Mataas pa dito. Ayan o, yan na naday siya. So that's it guys. Because we're using a phone, so let's just use. Then this is Masaba kayo na. Kumara. That's it guys. That's it. unbox this first. Ano kayo gunting natin? Nagkuha ditong gunting din.
Huwag yun yung day.
Gunting ko rin.
Nakakita ka mo?
Oo, tabaw asa.
Hindi ka magsalpas ng baon. Parang okay yung bawas. Kaya lang, baon na yun.
I look haggard.
Ako na sa parang.
From... Oh, there's no...
Lelo, tralalelo.
Wow, my laptop. It's a laptop, guys. Wow.
Ako nanay. Susunod na.
Oh my God.
Pag nisipilit ang... Ay, ano yun? Ay, kanin mo.
Wala.
Laptop ko dyan.
Guys, thank you so much.
Laptop.
Wow.
Laptop ko dyan. Surakan. Laptop.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kit. Oh my God.
Dalawa mo na. Dapat ako.
Di ko ba yung baba?
Guys, it's very nice.
Langas niya.
I love it. I don't know how to. I don't know what to say really. God, thank you so much. You really make my wish come true. There's, there's a one. Wow. Oh, there's the charger. Let's try to charge it.
Pag mo na.
Oh, there's a cover
Pag
for the camera.
Yan, pande.
Let's charge it first. Charging, guys. Oy. It's working. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Kit. So now, the next one.
Surakan. Five. Kasi suda. Ano?
di mag-vlog sa ko dito. Dahil ko di saon. You know what, guys? I didn't expect this that it will be delivered early. Action ka. La! Okay.
Spider.
Oh my God!
Ala. Laptop.
Wow.
Open dito. Susukutan off.
Ah! Oh my God, it's so nice. Oh my. Oh my God.
Anak.
It's very nice, guys. There's a cover.
Kung mabasa. Kung basa mo.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Tapay mo na.
Thank you so much. I'm out of words. And there's this. Wow. And about this one. Wow.
Isa?
There's a charger.
Ko.
And also this one. If ever I'm going to put this in the tripod. And battery and this. And I also have a sticker. Oh, battery. What's this? Double charging dock. Then here's a SD card. Wow. Oh, there's more, guys. There's the other box. You know what, guys? The tripod. The delivery rider called me at 6 a.m. Like, he woke me up. I thought it's my alarm. That's it. Then yeah. I was just, oh, what's this? Like that. Then, you know. It's already open. No? It's okay. Maybe they just check it. another action cam. Hala.
Wala. Wider paghapon. Wider. Huwag na pa sa di parehas.
I have lot of more than one action cam.
Kadagalan mo kaan.
Oh my. Wow. It's not just.
Want to play.
Thank you so much, everyone. So, shout out to Mr. Silas King, Kat R. Dorgan, and Mr. Bradley. Let's reach it. Yes.
Hindi ko gusto.
Baka na dyan, ma.
Wala.
Maybe, I think you gave me a lot of camera action cams for me to post daily. The video.
Post nili.
Saan ba eh? How to open this? Where's the... Oh, there's a card. Oh, it's a gift for you. Enjoy your gift from Silas King. Card.
Kainit eh.
Thank you so much. And this one. There's a card, guys. There's the other one. It's very hot in here. And there's no card. By the way, the laptop is from Kit R. Gordon. Thank you so much, Kit. I like it. I really appreciate it. I'm out of words. My God. I don't know how to thank you, the three of you guys. My one and only. Just wow. Oh. So this is how you open pala. It's not easy. Oh. So this is the camera.
Action.
Wow, let's on it. Ah!
Kalimutan kami hoy.
There's no SD card. Let's insert it first. What's this? I'm curious about this one.
Ikaw na.
Ah.
Hindi ako kapitong.
Ah, so this is the
Abulok na
charger.
hoy.
This one. I'm going to... Nice. I have two battery. The one is here. Let's on it, off it first.
Open.
So the one is here.
Okay.
So we have here a SD card, 32 gig. That's for it.
Um,
You need to push harder. Hey guys! So let's do a quick shout out time because you all really made me soft. And first of all, thank you so much to the people who actually bought stuff from my Amazon wishlist, and you all are too kind, I swear. So I almost cried, but I held it because my kilay isn't like chocolate. A special shout out to Silas King, you're the king for real, guys. So, and next is to Kit R. Gordon. Shout out to you. I appreciate you big time. Thank you so much. And to Bradley Terry, okay. I'm Lucky Scared. I'll pronounce your last name wrong, so I'm just using both your names to be safe. Stay safe. But thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you all. And also to everyone who watches my videos, whether you just like it, comment, share, or just quietly enjoying, please know that I see you, and I'm so thankful for you all, guys, and your support means the world to me, and you guys are seriously the best, and sending all my love and virtual hugs. Thank you. Enjoy watching. I saw. Like and subscribe, everyone. Love you, ma. So, guess what, guys? So, there's a last minute gift that arrived today. So, let's open it now. By the way, thank you for gifting this to me, guys. So, let's open it now. Let's see who sent this, who purchased this one. There's a card here. So, oh, we got here a mic, guys. Although, mini microphone. Oh, the camera. So here's the card. Let's read it first.
camera.
Oh, it's from Silas King. It says here that enjoy your gift from Silas King. Thank you so much again, Mr. Silas King. Like it. Oh, we have here a kuan.
Pen.
And pen. We got a pen. Yes, it's a pen. another card. It says here, enjoy your guest from Celestine Gaming. Thank you so much. Wow. A lot of camera. What should I? There's more pa. Oh my God. Wow, thank you.
Nagano ka muna tita.
Oh, there's a camera. Let's open it. Wow. Ayaw ha. Oh, there's a light, free light, and the manual, the strap, the battery. Oh, there's a handle. And the charger. Oh, 2 charger. I think this is for the fan, the light. What's this? Oh, for the fan. It's nice, very nice. Oh, we have here, so 2 battery. Oh, this is the computer. Wow. God, I'm shaking. I really like it. Let's try this. Wow, it's nice. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Pagtutugagan. Ngayon ang samali ko. At ang sa picture. Kaya hello guys. Sige.
Out of focus. My God. I don't know what to say. Can adjust it. Wow. You can adjust it really good.
Lelo, tulala na. Dito ko dito. Dito ko dito.
Thank you so much. Guys, I have 6. Yesterday I got a 3 action cam like this. Then now I still receive 3 like this. What should I do? I think I should give to Pia and Ate Flo. What do you think?
Thank you.
Should I? Yes, you should.
Salamat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Silas Kim.